Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city Chandigarh? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I will be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city Chandigarh. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us move to the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy Chandigarh is the pioneer coaching center in Chandigarh and well known among students. This academy is offering online SSC CGL coaching in this pandemic situation. Further, the academy helps many students to achieve their excellent goals and also produce many excellent students with the top ranks. Furthermore, Plutus Academy Chandigarh is amazingly built for the competitive examination and this academy is very popular for their SSC coaching classes. The SSC CGL examination results have been so good in this institute. This is the reason SSC exam aspirants from Chandigarh has given very good reviews for this academy. Now let us discuss the contact number and the batch size of the institute. So, the contact number of Plutus Academy includes 844-844-0231 and the batch size of the institute includes 15 to 20 students in a batch. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. And moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Bright Academy. Bright Academy is best and very well known for its SSC classes and they know how to guide every student in the right direction. The infrastructure is very good and the faculty is very skilled and qualified in their work. Further, even the batch size of the institute is very good and they have split in a very convenient way so that teachers can teach and students can learn in an excellent manner. For your preparation, they give the best test series and even the fee structure is also very affordable. Okay, now let us discuss address, contact number and the other details. So, the address of Bright Academy includes Guru Gobind Singh Bhavan, Madhya Marg near Petrol Pump opposite DAV School, Sector 15A, Chandigarh 160015. Their contact number is 09988442200 and the batch size of the institute includes 30 to 40 students in a batch. At rank 4, we have Paramount SSC Coaching in Chandigarh. Paramount SSC Coaching is very well known for their SSC classes. The staff in the institute is very humble towards each student and their strategies are adaptable for everyone. They know how to handle the pressure of studies and how to sort them out for the students. Further, infrastructure is very well equipped and Paramount Coaching is matchless in their work. Okay, now let us discuss the contact details of Paramount Coaching. The address of the institute includes SCO number 232425, 4th floor, Delhi Road, Sector 34 near Old Passport Office, Chandigarh 160022. Their contact number includes 08284807777 and the fee structure of the institute is Rs 14,000 which is one-time payment and for 3 months. The batch size of the institute includes 50 to 60 students in a batch. So friends, the last institute we will be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is AIM Achiever Academy. AIM Achiever Academy is one of the excellent coaching center and outstanding one for the SSC coaching. They provide remarkable coaching classes for every course. From their inception, they continuously give the best preparation tricks and strategies for every examination. Furthermore, the faculty is well skilled in their teaching process and the infrastructure is also good and very well maintained. Now let us talk about the contact details of AIM Achiever Academy. The address of the academy includes SCF 6465, top floor, Sector 34A, Chandigarh 160022. Their contact number is 089680245595 and the fee structure of the institute for SSC including banking is rupees 15,000. The batch size of the institute includes 20 to 25 students in a batch.